Good morning. Today we're going to be replacing the starter in a 2015 Yukon Denali. First thing we're going to need is to drop this plastic guard. We're going to start with two 15mm bolts and four 10mm bolts. All right, now that the shield's off and out of the way, let's find the starter. It's going to be on the passenger side. Some light in there, right there. So we're going to have two 13mm nuts that have to come off, here and here. And then there'll be a 10mm right up here by the heat shield that'll have to come off. Let's get that done. Okay, so I have a nice long extension coming in behind the wheel to the 10mm. Okay, the bottom bolts go all the way through the starter. They're long. Take the first one out. When you pull the second one, the starter's going to want to fall, so be ready for that. I didn't show this in the beginning, but the first thing I did was disconnect the battery. Okay, once you get your starter bolts out, you'll have one nut here, 13mm, to pull off, and your connector plug will be right under here. Once those are disconnected, the starter will be able to drop out. Okay, here we have the old starter, the new starter. Got a bit of corrosion on there. Probably wasn't helping our no start. This one we got from O'Reilly, $194.47 with, I think, a $40 pour. So let's get right to it, get this one installed and see if it starts. All right, this is a look where the starter goes. Here's your connector. Here's the wire you need to put on. If you have any corrosion, clean that up first. All right, we got the starter back installed. All the bolts are in. Time to hook up the battery and see if it starts. All right, we got the battery hooked up, got the keys. Let's see if it starts. Beautiful. We'll put the plastic cover back on and this job's done.